Hey guys, you go on the camera.
What?
Camera.
Choosing a paint color can be overwhelming, especially when there are
Pork
thousands
Lolo.
of colors to choose from. But there's an easy
Preparing a
solution.
pork Lolo right now.
PPG Pittsburgh Paint. The unique in-store tools make selecting colors simple and color perfect. The 5-color decorating chips provide color
Care to teach
suggestions
the
for all
youth
design
how to
elements in
make
your
photos
room,
of me?
from paint to flooring to window treatments to fabrics. So you can be sure all colors
Secret
work
is in
together
the wrist, right?
every time. Because it's never about choosing only one color. PPG Pittsburgh Paints in the voice of color. Exclusively at TMO Hardware in Otoville. Phone 699-9335.
Small Business Development Center can help you start up a new business or enhance your existing one through their professional training courses like Business Startup. Call them now and find out. SBDC 699-4830, Malaimi.
It's 927.
Boil.
It's Solid Gold Sunday, and we're playing all the best oldies on 93 KHJ.
You're gonna add this into that? Nope. Don't need that.
No need. Just swirl it up.
Oh, you're using a foil, so don't worry.